You thought driving an automatic was a piece of cake? Think again. One little mistake, and you could be looking at a hefty repair bill. Imagine your brand new car in an accident in a simple parking lot. It's totally preventable. In this video, I'm going to spill the beans on the top 10 mistakes you're making with your automatic transmission. We're talking about the stuff that can seriously damage your car and cost you a fortune. Let's dive in. Driving through even a little puddle can be a big no-no for your automatic transmission. Water is basically public enemy number one for your gearbox. If water gets inside, it can cause some serious damage, like seizing up the gears. That means your car might not move. And let's not forget, water can seep in through those tiny vents that keep your transmission cool. So, if you're crossing a flooded road, you might be sucking up water right into your transmission. This can lead to expensive and sometimes permanent damage. Even if your car seems fine after a little swim, problems can pop up later. Keep an eye out for weird noises, trouble shifting gears, or any leaks. Those are all signs that water might have snuck in. Shifting into park while your car is still rolling, even if it's just a little bit, is a big no-no. Not only can this mess up your brakes in the parking pile, but it can also lock up your wheels and cause you to lose control. Some cars let you shift into park while moving, but it's always best to come to a complete stop first. And don't forget to set your parking brake too. Leaving your car in drive with the engine running when you're stuck in traffic or waiting for a long time is a recipe for disaster. Your car's torque converter keeps spinning, which creates a ton of heat. Plus, the oil pump is working overtime, making things even hotter. This can seriously damage your engine, like warping the engine block or melting pistons. Trust me, the repair bill will make your eyes water. To avoid this, turn off the engine completely or shift into park. It's a small thing to do, but it can save you a big headache. Driving with 2 feet is like playing Russian roulette with your car. Accidentally hitting the gas instead of the brake can be a total nightmare. It's a recipe for disaster. Keep your left foot on the floor or on the dead pedal and use your right foot for both the gas and the brake. It might feel weird at first, but it'll save your bacon in the long run. Shifting gears without coming to a complete stop is like trying to force puzzle pieces together. It's a bad idea. Your transmission's gears need to be perfectly aligned to work right. If you don't let them settle, you're going to cause some serious damage. So always come to a complete stop before shifting from reverse to drive. And don't forget to go through neutral and EN for a smooth transition. Coasting downhill in neutral is like playing chicken with gravity. You're losing out on something called engine braking, which is basically your car's built-in brake. Without it, you're relying solely on your regular brakes, which can overheat and fail, especially on long hills. Plus, if you lose control, you're in big trouble. Use a lower gear to slow down safely and save your brakes. Leaving your car in neutral while sitting in traffic is a bad habit. It won't save you gas, and it can actually hurt your car. Your transmission's synchros wear out faster when you're constantly shifting in and out of neutral. Plus, if you need to hit the gas quickly, you'll waste precious seconds getting back into gear. Just leave it in drive or park. It's safer and better for your car. Don't be that guy who thinks the parking brake is just for show. It's your car's safety net. Whether you're parked on a hill, flat ground, or anywhere else, always use the parking brake. It works together with park to keep your car from rolling. It's like an extra layer of protection for your transmission. Burnouts in an automatic car are like trying to run a marathon with broken legs. It's pointless, and it's going to hurt. Your transmission is not built for that kind of abuse. The heat and stress can fry your clutch and torque converter. Plus, burnouts are illegal in most places, so you could get in trouble with the law. Save the burnouts for the pros and take care of your car. Your transmission fluid is like the blood in your car's veins. It keeps everything cool and lubricated. But just like your blood, it gets dirty over time. Ignoring transmission fluid changes is like driving your car without oil. It's a recipe for disaster. Your transmission's internal parts will wear out super fast, and you'll end up with a pricey repair bill. Some car makers say the fluid lasts forever, but don't believe the hype. Change it every 60,000 to 80,000 miles to keep your transmission happy. All right, there you have it. The top 10 mistakes you can make with an automatic transmission. By avoiding these blunders, you'll be doing your car a huge favor and saving yourself a ton of cash. Remember, a little care goes a long way. So, next time you're behind the wheel, keep these tips in mind. And hey, if you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more car care tips. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who drive automatics. Let's keep those transmissions happy and healthy. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.